Hello and welcome to Planet Bollywood. India's Me Too revolution has gained momentum in the last 1 month, and many brave women have stood like pillars in making Me Too stronger each day. Their bravery and their courage is the only reason sexual predators and perpetrators are being exposed one by one. And we have 4 such ladies right here on Planet Bollywood who've been championing this movement for quite some time now. Of course, we have Diandra, who's exposed Sohail Seth but also called out the entire Bollywood industry and fashion industry. We have Simran here with us, who did not shy away from revealing her identity and has been voicing out since then. Many ask, why aren't women taking the legal route? We have one big example here, Kritika, who's been trying to file an FIR and it hasn't been filed yet. We'll talk more on that. And we have Rachel, who has stood by her story, stood strong and encouraged many women to come forward and speak up for themselves. I'll start with Diandra. Now, recently, you gave us the most uninhibited interview, spoke your heart out. What has been the kind of reaction you've received and what has been the Me Too effect for you?
Okay, so actually immediately after, I was sitting at lunch and I said, oh God, was it too much? Was I too much? And then in an instant I said, no, it was too much and I am too much and I am going to be much more of too much, and I think that each woman should be too much because that in itself, that tag in itself of saying that she's too much.
Right.
What does that mean? Have you never heard that? That at work or in your I'm sure all of us you have heard this.
But that's what
she's too
always
much.
happened,
She's
na?
a troublemaker. She is. You think I don't have these tags in fashion? So it's nothing new. So I realized, or even from a show like Bigg Boss, I mean, come on, I was like trolled like severely. So
Right.
I realized that 1 second, what else are they going to say? This is तो मतलब ये तो मतलब सेम घिसा पिटा स्टोरी है सुना हुआ है तो कितना क्या और आएगा but I must say I'm actually honestly very surprised and maybe this is a good platform to say this. I'm surprised and pleasantly surprised because I've got messages from LGBTQ community, from men, from women, and they are from Australia and Fiji and London and India and everywhere. And the numbers of that courage, the number of people that are reaching out to me and saying that, listen, we want to come out?
Yeah.
Can you help us? It's like it's overwhelming. I've not been able to actually go through all of the messages still after so many days. I'm still checking messages. I wanted to go live and actually say, I need to just thank everyone together, because it's kind of now overwhelming. So I've actually sat and had moments where I've literally cried reading some of the messages. So that's
Right.
amazing. That's a win for me. And that's a win for the Me Too movement on the whole and for all of us, honestly, because it is amazing.
I agree. Simran, has there been a change in attitude after you spoke up? Of course, people were asking questions, why now? But now has there been a change in attitude since then? Have the questions reduced?
Initially I was, trying to read all the messages and read all the comments, but there were a lot of people who were supporting, but there were a lot of messages where they were questioning why now, and there were a lot of abuses. So I stopped reading all the comments because obviously it was affecting me, and I wanted to stick to, this moment. And if something like that is discouraging me, then obviously I don't want to see it, and I don't want anything like that to affect me, but I am ready to take it ahead and I will do whatever it takes. But like I said, this has to stop now. It's high time.
Right. It is high time. Kritika, it's been quite a struggle, isn't it? You've been trying to file an FIR against casting director Vicky Sedana. And FIR, the basic right when you want to fight your own battle, that has been denied to you. What exactly happened and what was the reason given to you कि हम आपका FIR file नहीं करेंगे?
So I went to the police station on the 18th. I guess at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I was there with 2 lawyers, my husband and a friend. And so the lawyer, he handed my complaint to some female officer. She read it, and the same moment she was like, this is an FIR case and we are going to write an FIR on it. Then they took my statement, and of course I was emotionally drained. Then that thing, that complaint, then that went to the senior police inspector, Mr. Ravindra Bhatt Gujar. Then he took almost an hour and a half to read that 4-page complaint. Okay, then I was called again in his room, and he was like, you need to give me the name of the society where Ashish Base stayed, because it's not written there. I was like, it's been 2 years now in Bombay. If you talk about roads and societies, definitely I can work on that. But if you're asking me to give a name of a society, being the first day in the city, how do you expect? I can tell you the room of the color, like the color of the walls was light green.
Right.
But I know the point where I was standing. So it's your job. Why don't you call that guy and ask him that, dude, we've got a complaint against you, and the person is saying that you've stayed at Gary Road. Can we have the address? You must be having the agreement. I don't think so they've called Vicky Sidana. I don't think so they've called Sunny Dagar, or they've called Ashish, because they've been constantly, telling me that you need to cooperate with us for the investigation. And I said, okay, fine.
Right.
Okay, so on the 18th, we had to go for a conference along with the lawyers. So they said, ki cool, aap sham ko aake you take your FIR. It will be ready, so you sign on it and you take it. I guess around 7:30 or 6:30 or 7, we were at the police station, same people. And then I did sign something. It was not an FIR actually, but it was like a sheet which has my name, my husband's name, his father's name.
Like a complaint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and I signed on it, and then this guy who wrote my statement, he said that, we cannot write the FIR right now, because my senior, Mr. Bhatt Gujar, has got orders from his senior that don't take the FIR on this case as of now. Okay, my lawyer had a heated argument with that statement guy, because we wanted to know that, you made us wait for so many hours. She cried twice, going through the entire thing twice for you guys. Okay, and then suddenly now you're saying that the FIR cannot be written because you have orders from the senior.
Right.
But then he never had any, that solid reason to give. So my lawyer did tell him that, okay, fine, like, once we leave from here, we'll go completely legal. Then we'll forget about the FIR. So you take your time, think about it. He again made the call to Mr. Bhatt Gujar, but the same answer. Then my lawyer said that, let's give them a day. We'll come tomorrow, come around evening 5:30 and ask them about the FIR status. So again, I went there with my husband and my friend. Dot 5:30, I was there with one of the reporters from Zoom. And I asked this guy, the constable, that I want to speak with Gigi Patil. He said she's outside, she's like on the rounds. She'll be here in 20 minutes. So I waited for 20 minutes, and again, another 20 minutes. So I waited for like almost half an hour to 45 minutes. And then finally I told him that, fine, she's not here. I want to speak to your senior inspector, Mr. Ravindra Bhatt Gujar, because he's aware of the case. So there were two constables. One said, that, he's available. The other one saying, no, he's also out on the rounds. I was like, you guys decide, because I know how things work.
This is
Don't we
another.
all know? Don't we all know?
Okay, it's like, that you are harassing me. It's like, it's your fault. Why did you come here and make a complaint? Because forget about the victim. For us, you are the accused. But we'll be after your life. We'll make sure that we put everything to make you take this complaint back. Okay, so after that, suddenly, so I like took out my phone and I was trying to call my lawyer, and I thought he's assumed that I'm calling someone else. And suddenly this guy was like, okay, Gigi Patil is here. And I went inside her room with my husband, because I wanted someone to be there with me, so that as a proof,
Right.
Yeah,
as a
evidence.
proof.
Is the
Evidence.
female
Everyone is
inspector.
screaming for evidence.
So she was actually cooperative. I don't know what's going in everyone's head. But on my face, she was very cooperative at that time. So my husband asked her that, what are we doing with the FIR? She was like, हाँ अभी लेते हैं करके. And then she spoke something in Marathi which I don't understood. But then I could only catch words that, तू जा, this is important, register लाके दे, मैं लिखती हूँ करके. And we were like waiting. So then I went out. I requested this Zoom reporter that if you can understand Marathi, can you sit inside with me, so that you will know what she's saying. Then I made him sit there for like almost 2 hours. He was there with us. And then suddenly she called, and we remember she said on khud se she said it, that I'm going to call the DCP right now and talk to him. I don't know whom she called, but then to us, she called DCP because she only said that. So suddenly she called the DCP and you know she's like ठीक है मुझे approval आ गया है, I'll take your FIR, I'll just go and inform my senior Mr. Badguja that I'm writing the FIR. And then there's a gap of 10-15 minutes, we are sitting and we are waiting, and then she comes and उन्होंने twist कर दिया बात को, saying that actually I called the ACP, Mr. Badguja called the DCP, and the DCP is saying कि FIR नहीं लिखना है.
नहीं लिखना है, क्यों नहीं लिखना है, नहीं
No
बताया.
reasons given at all. So then what she did, because obviously they need time, and that's how I guess the police manipulates. So suddenly after spending, you know, after taking my complaint, she's like, ठीक है, I'm writing this. Again, the letter was written in Marathi.
Okay.
I hardly understand what's written. अभी तक मुझे नहीं पता उस letter में क्या लिखा है. तो she's like, what I've written is that you have submitted a complaint, we have received a complaint, and then we will investigate. We need time to investigate, and then you'll cooperate with us. I was like, okay, ठीक है, मैं cooperate करूँगी. और वो लेटर लेके हम लोग वहाँ से निकल गए. निकलने से पहले आई कॉल्ड बट गुजर. आई वॉज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज रूम. तो मैंने बट गुजर जी को कॉल किया. मैंने उनको बोला कि सर मैं पुलिस स्टेशन आई हुई हूँ और मुझे स्टेटस चेक करना है FIR का, तो मुझे आपसे मिलना है.
जी.
उनका जो टोन था, इट वॉज समथिंग लाइक नहीं आप मुझे नहीं मिलो, आप पहले जीजी पाटिल से जाके पूछो, पहले उनसे पूछो कि उन्होंने क्या इन्वेस्टिगेट किया है, उसके बाद आप मुझसे बात करना.
So everyone also shrug off the responsibility कि
Exactly.
आप
From
देखो
Bhagwan.
अब. Exactly.
And get people
And
fed
there's
up.
never any transparency.
No, and getting
you
people
will
fed
never
up.
get an answer exactly why you're not taking my complaint or why aren't you doing my FIR. Nobody thinks they're answerable
The
to
funny
you. You
part
don't-
was, I'll tell you, so 19th को when she gave me that letter saying कि investigation letter है and cooperate करना, मैं यहीं पे हूँ, रात तक इधर हूँ, आप कभी भी मुझे बोलना, मैं आ जाऊंगी. पुलिस स्टेशन से आई स्ट्रेट अवे वेंट टू द मॉडल टाउन जहाँ पे उस टाइम पे सिडाना रहता था, टू शो टू माई हस्बैंड एंड माई फ्रेंड, एंड वी प्लान दैट फाइन, लेट्स नॉट कॉल हर रात को, मे बी नेक्स्ट डे. But then I thought, let me wait for them to call me because you are the one who's taking an excuse that we want to investigate पहले. तो हम investigate करने के बाद आपका FIR लिखेंगे. So I guess जितना मैं bothered हूँ उतना आप भी bothered होनी चाहिए उस केस से. They never called me. एक मुझे फ़ोन नहीं आया, कोई अपडेट नहीं आया मुझे पुलिस स्टेशन से. मुझे सीधा एक जर्नलिस्ट से पता लगता है यू नो कि एक पुलिस ने एक स्टेटमेंट दे दिया है कि कृतिका श्योर नहीं है अपनी कंप्लेंट के बारे में एंड शी डोंट नो कि वो कौन सी लोकेशंस है, उसको टाइम याद नहीं है. और हमने उसको बोला है, दिस इज़ लाइक द फनी पार्ट, कि हमने उसको बोला कि जिस रिक्शा में बैठ के वो उस पॉइंट से एयरपोर्ट गई थी
जी.
उसको वो रिक्शा वाले को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. I mean like
नहीं मांगा है.
और ये
I
कितने
cried.
साल व्यूअर्स को बता दे, ये आपके साथ हुआ कितने साल
I
पहले था?
cried कि 5 साल. I mean आप मुझसे ये बोलोगे कि मैं कल किस ऑटो में बैठी थी, मुझे नहीं पता होगा. 5 साल just because you just want to take this thing off from you.
Yeah.
You're asking
They're
questions
trying to
कि
make it
रिक्शा वाला.
difficult for you और
You
कुछ
don't
नहीं.
have to justify.
Exactly.
Do you know that you don't have to justify
I was
the everybody knows that. You don't have to justify the fact that how will I remember and what anybody in
No, the problem is
would
that
never
I'll tell
remember.
you. The problem is कि क्यों मुझे you know ये एक I feel scared and sad अंदर से because now there are those people जो पूछ रहे हैं कि suddenly सो के उठी है.
इतने सालों
आज जब
बाद
मैं लॉयर के साथ में गई पुलिस स्टेशन, तब मेरा FIR ऑलमोस्ट आई गेस 8th डे आज. आई गेस 7 days का टाट होता है इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग FIR लिखने का, जो कि ऑलरेडी क्रॉस हो चुका है. 8th डे पे मेरा FIR नहीं लिखा. तो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट कि जब मैं फर्स्ट डे यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में आई थी, मेरी फैमिली यहाँ नहीं थी, नो वन वाज देयर, तो मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती थी पुलिस स्टेशन जाने का.
and ये attempt to
None
rape
of
था.
us. None of
It is
us.
such
Yeah.
a sensitive and serious topic जिस पर अभी तक एक्शन नहीं लिया गया.
सो दिस जब मेरे को जर्नलिस्ट से बात पता चली, आई गेस उसके नेक्स्ट आई गेस 2 दिन पहले ही मैंने जीजी पाटिल
Yeah.
को कॉल किया कि लेट मी कॉल नाउ.
Yeah.
So I called her and she picked up the phone, but then she couldn't talk. I guess I could hear some guy like kind of shouting or giving some lecture type of a thing. So she texted me that I'm in a meeting. Please text कर दो आप. तो मैंने उनको text किया कि मैम मैं आपको कितने बजे बुलाऊं spot verification के लिए. She said 500 hours evening. मैंने कहा okay thank you. 5 o'clock I was standing at that model town का point with my husband and friend and I called her. First call जो मैंने उनको किया था वो था 458 पे सॉरी. एंड आई गेस 3 कॉल्स किए थे मैंने, उन्होंने नहीं उठाया. उसके बाद उनका कॉल बैक आया. शी सेड कि मैंने आपको बोला था मैं वीटी में हूँ, मैं तो अंधेरी में हूँ ही नहीं. मेरे को तो एक्चुअली उन्होंने मेरे लॉयर को टेक्स्ट किया इंस्टेड ऑफ मुझे टेक्स्ट करने की बजाय. ठीक है. सो यू शुड बी टेक्सिंग मी ना, जब मैं आपसे डायरेक्ट बात कर रही हूँ, आप मुझे टेक्स्ट करो, आपके पास नंबर है मेरा, मेरे हस्बैंड का नंबर है, आपने मेरे फ्रेंड के हस्बैंड, मेरे फ्रेंड का नंबर लिया, आपने उसके डैड का नंबर लिया है, उसके डैड का भी आपने नाम लिखा है, किस रीजन से? ठीक है, तो उसके बाद 5:30 तक मैं वहाँ खड़ी रही, देन सडनली शी इज लाइक कि कोई नहीं, मैं 7:30 बजे आऊँगी पुलिस स्टेशन, तो उसके बाद मैं आपको फ़ोन करती हूँ,
राइट,
थोड़ा लेट होगा तो चलेगा ना? मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरे हस्बैंड का छुट्टी है, आप जब भी फ़ोन करोगे मैं आऊँगी। शी डिड नॉट कॉल एंड आई न्यू शी विल नेवर कॉल, तो उन्होंने फ़ोन नहीं किया। ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट डे अगेन द मिड डे का जर्नलिस्ट ही सेड कि डिड शी कॉल यू, तो आई टोल्ड हिम दैट येस शी डिड कॉल मी, बट एवरी टाइम शी इज़ कॉलिंग मी रात के टाइम पे, विच आई डोंट फील, यू नो, आई मीन दे आर नॉट हेल्पिंग मी।
Right.
मेरा एफआईआर नहीं लिखा है, आप कॉपरेट मुझसे ही करवा रहे हो, आप खुद कुछ कॉपरेट नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो आप मुझे कितनी भी टाइम को बुलाओगे मैं उठ के आ जाऊंगी? यू नो, आई एम लाइक स्केयर्ड कि व्हाट इफ पुलिस ही कुछ अलग चीज कर दे तो मैं तो गई।
That goes, वो भी है।
ठीक है, यू नेवर नो कि हाँ कल कि वो मॉडल टाउन में अंधेरे को 12:30 बजे हमने इस लड़की को देखा ऐसे ऐसे, यू डोंट नो द स्टोरीज दैट दे कम अप विद। सो उसके बाद मुझे याद है कि मैंने इनको आई गेस परसों कॉल किया दिन में, आई वॉज हैविंग लंच, इनफैक्ट शी कॉल्ड मी, तो आई वॉज हैविंग लंच एंड आई हैव अ रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड इफ यू लिसन टू इट आपको फील ही नहीं होगा कि शी इज़ कॉलिंग टू से कि हाँ इन्वेस्टिगेशन का क्या करना है, आप कब आ रहे हो। सो शी सेड कि उन्होंने मेरे को बोलने का मौका नहीं दिया एक तो, ठीक है, एंड देन सडनली शी इज लाइक हेलो मैडम अब वो मैं क्या कह रही थी, उस दिन मैंने आपको 7:30 बजे को कहा था फ़ोन करने का, मैं रात तक वेट करी, आप नहीं आए।
अच्छा,
आप क्यों वेट कर रहे हो? आपको पता है कि एक बंदे ने आना है, लेट्स से चलो मैं मान लेती हूँ कि मैं भूल गई आपको कॉल करना, तो आपने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं किया?
जी,
यू आर द इंस्पेक्टर ना, यू आर सपोज टू कॉल मी फॉर द वेरिफिकेशन, मैं ही लगी पड़ी हूँ। एंड देन सडनली शी इज लाइक टायर्ड हो, मैंने कहा क्या टायर्ड हो? मैंने कहा नहीं मैं बस खाना, हाँ नहीं कोई नहीं, मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बोल रही थी कि आप टायर्ड हो गए, आप थोड़ा रेस्ट करो, आराम से खाना वाना खाओ, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मैं रात तक यहाँ पे हूँ, आप कभी भी मुझे फ़ोन करोगे, रात को भी फ़ोन कर। ये रात कहाँ से आ रही है बीच में? मुझे तो ये चीज़ नहीं समझ आ रहा, आप पूरा दिन मुझे कॉल नहीं करती, आप पूरा दिन में मैं वेरिफिकेशन के लिए नहीं आ पाती, आप सडनली यू लाइक कि हाँ मैं रात तक हूँ, आप रात को फ़ोन करो, आप आओ ना, मुझे आप उस पॉइंट पे आके मुझे फ़ोन करो कि मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ, आप आओ, मैं जाऊंगी उस पॉइंट पे, चाहे आप कितने बजे भी फोन करोगे, चाहे मैं किसी को भी लेके जाऊंगी, मेक श्योर दैट आई एम देयर, बिकॉज आई नो आई जेन्युइनली शेयर्ड समथिंग, मे बी यू आर नॉट ट्रस्टिंग, इट्स योर प्रॉब्लम, बट देन अगर मैंने इट्स नॉट ईजी, 4 पेज का कंप्लेंट, आपको हर चीज मैंने उसमें टाइम मेंशन किया है, मैंने उसमें हर चीज मेंशन किया है कि कितने बजे वो घर में आया, कितने बजे मैं वहां गई, आई हैव मेंशन्ड एवरीथिंग इन दैट कंप्लेंट, बट देन तुम लोग एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हैं, उसके बाद आप बातें घुमा रहे हो, आप झूठे स्टेटमेंट्स दे रहे हो मीडिया में जाके अगेंस्ट मी, यू नो दिस मीडिया गाय वाज लाइक कि आप क्यों नहीं जा रहे,
राइट,
आई सेंट हिम द रिकॉर्डिंग दैट आपको लग रहा है इनकी टोन से किसी भी तरह से कि वो एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड है इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने में, आप मुझसे पूछोगे ना कि कितने बजे आऊँ, आप मुझे एज्यूम नहीं करने शुरू कर दोगे कि हाँ आप टायर्ड हो गए, अच्छा हाँ आप खाना खाओ, नहीं आप चिल करो, आप रिलैक्स करो, कहाँ से रिलैक्स करूंगी, आप मुझे थोड़ा वो अश्योरेंस तो दो कि चीजें अब हमारे हाथ में हैं, यू नो, आई एम तो गेटिंग दैट फीलिंग कि शायद से आप मुझे हेल्प करने की जगह आप उसी को बचा रहे हो।
बट 1 सेकेंड, आई रियली वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि अटेम्प्ट टू रेप का केस है, आपने विकी सिडाना के अगेंस्ट वो आपने करना चाहा उसे फाइल, वो फाइल नहीं की गई है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन आपके थ्रू शुरू हो चुका है, यू आर द विक्टिम, यू आर बीइंग इवन मोर विक्टिमाइज्ड बाय आस्किंग रिडिकुलस क्वेश्चंस कि 5 साल पहले जिस रिक्शा में आप बैठे थे उस रिक्शा वाले का नाम क्या है? हम कब पूछते हैं रिक्शा वाले को उनके नाम?
उसका व्हीकल नंबर दो, आपको उसकी शक्ल याद होगी।
So this is a way to actually even more harass the
Do you
victim.
remember the rickshaw you came in today, Rachel?
नहीं यार, वो सीधा देख के चला रहा था, वो उल्टा घूम के नहीं चला रहा था, इसलिए मैंने उसका
Did
शक्ल
you
नहीं
take
देखा।
a selfie video of you and the rickshaw fellow?
No.
No.
This
Okay.
is
My only
ridiculous.
purpose was
Remember
going
who you
from
came
point
with
A
in
to
your
point
cab
B.
driver?
Absolutely.
That's
Do you
all I
remember the
did.
number of the cab?
No.
Do you remember the what he looked like?
No.
No. Okay.
तो ये एक जवाब है।
Excuses and making it
They're
more
making it
difficult for
difficult
her.
for
Yeah,
her so
but
that
she
she just
backs
backs
out.
Yes,
out.
because they
Nothing
want.
else.
This is the thing. उनको ये चाहिए कि सब
आप
लोग
इतना hassle हो जाओ कि आपको नहीं
आप
चाहिए
छोड़ो ना
tension
यार,
बस।
कौन कोर्ट जाएगा? But this is exactly why there are many people out there who have put anonymous posts up, and they're so scared to attach their name to it for this reason.
Yeah.
For this reason, and there are more people who have not even put a story out there, who have a story,
And जो लोग
and they do not want to come out because they're like, how Why? Because
Yeah.
we are going to get fed up. Our life will end, and this will nothing will happen.
And I really want to know Miss Patil, जिन्होंने कहा कि ऊपर से orders आए हैं कि आपका फाइल नहीं किया जाएगा, वो जवाब हमें चाहिए. We want to know why are there orders from above that the FIR can't be filed as yet. So that is one big question, and this is the answer for all who've been asking and raising these questions to the women who've been speaking up. Rachel, talking about you, you guys decided to go to the Directors Association. Of course, Sajid Khan ने एक statement जारी करके he stepped down as the director of Houseful 4. But there has been an astounding silence from there. After the Directors Association has sent a notice, there has been no reply.
There's another Western Cine Employees Association also that has sent him, which I believe, I mean, from what I read in the newspaper article, it's above the Directors Federation, because I think he was not treating this notice as, you know, anything
Important.
serious. So there's another notice gone to him from another federation. Now basically there are 2 notices with him. He's been given 1 week to come and explain. I think 1 week is over of that also. But
And nothing has been
nothing
done.
at all. Nothing at all. And it's not just me who's done a complaint with the Directors Federation. I think 5 of us.
Yeah, Saloni, Karishma,
5 of us have.
including all of you.
But there's nothing at all. And you know, like in Kritika's case, people are saying, you know, oh, why didn't you report to the police? Why don't you report to the police? फैक्ट ये है कि इंडिया में जब तक कोई मर्डर या कोई रेप ना हो जाए, बाकी के ऑफेंस कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं रखते. वी हैव टू वेट फॉर समथिंग एज ड्रास्टिक एज दैट.
Yeah.
तब जाके शायद लोग जागेंगे, ओ उसके साथ रेप हुआ है, उसको हेल्प चाहिए या उसको इंसाफ चाहिए. ऐसे छोटे छोटे hers is attempt to rape. People are telling me that why haven't you complained? I'm saying what am I going to complain? I will hear from people. क्या मैम, हाथ ही तो लगाया ना, रेप तो नहीं किया ना, मत काम करो आप इसके साथ.
I've got a question. Why didn't you speak up then? Why didn't you say this? Tanushri spoke up then.
What
she
are you
went
going
and put
to
the
say
cases.
for
What
what?
happened?
Right.
What happened?
That's why
What
that's
She is
happened.
going
People
and
are
saying
silent.
what has happened. She is being accused. In fact, she is being blamed that, you know, I mean, she is being harassed.
Yeah.
This.
And she has to convince the cops
Yeah, exactly.
कि नहीं ये घटना हुआ है. अरे वो तो आप कोर्ट के पास छोड़ दीजिए ना, ये कोर्ट
कि
को आप
सच है या
डिसीजन लेने
झूठ, वो
दीजिए.
कोर्ट का
आप तो
डिसीजन है,
एफआईआर
right.
फाइल कीजिए, बाकी फिर आप वहां पे फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए.
Right.
जो होना है वो कोर्ट में होना है, पहले एफआईआर तो कीजिए.
But this is like them saying media trial. Media ने trial कर दिया कि तुमने इसको accused कर दिया, even though they have 5 women against them, 6 women against them, 7 women against them. You're saying
Yeah.
this is media trial, right?
Right.
1 second. What is this? This is a police trial.
Why aren't they doing
This is a
anything then?
police trial on her. Who the hell is going to bring that up? I want to know.
Absolutely.
Y'all are accusing the media for having a media trial. I am saying that this is a police trial. Answer me now. Let's make a hashtag police trial. Come on. Because now okay, I have tweeted, you have tweeted, we have all asked for her. What is happening? We are tagging Mumbai police. They answer over ridiculous things. They answer people. I want to know, you're saying that you're going to do safety for women, Beti Bachao. Dude, what? Beti Bachao तो दूर की बात है, boss.
बेटी की सुन तो लो.
Yeah.
मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी. आई गेस इफ़ आई रिकॉल हमारे कुछ 57 ट्वीट्स मेरे ट्विटर पे जो हुए हैं, जिनमें से मोस्टली सिर्फ मी टू को लेके,
एक
मेरी
पहले
स्टोरी को
कभी
लेके
कुछ
हुए
था
हैं.
ना,
2016 में भी मेरा एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था मुंबई पुलिस के साथ. अगेन आई तो फील कि शायद से मैं एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती उस प्लानिट पे, कि किसी को मैं दिख ही नहीं रही एक्सेप्ट फॉर माई फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. में शायद से आई हैव टैग्ड Commissioner of Police, Mumbai Police, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Aditya Thackeray. We have tagged so many people, including Mr. Narendra Modi, like PM of India. But I'm like, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा है, कि किसी का रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं आ रहा है. मुंबई पुलिस सबको रिप्लाई करी. ऑटो रिक्शा का इशू है, हाँ आप नंबर मैसेज करो. हम ट्रैफिक का इशू है, आप नंबर मैसेज करो, हम ट्रैफिक वालों को बताते हैं. देन आई गेस रिसेंटली कल भी एक फीमेल ने उनको टैग किया था कि आप लोगों ने मुझे पुलिस स्टेशन बुलाया एफआईआर लिखवाने के लिए. मैं वहाँ बैठी रही, मेरा एफआईआर नहीं लिखा गया. किस चीज़ के रिगार्डिंग था वो मेंशन नहीं था. उस तक पे पुलिस ने रिप्लाई किया है कि सॉरी आप अपना नंबर दीजिए, हम आपकी कंप्लेंट लेंगे. तो फिर मुझे लग रहा है या तो मैं मर चुकी हूँ, मैं एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, जो लोगों को मैं दिख नहीं रही हूँ. बिकॉज ऐसा क्या हो सकता है कि मेरा कंप्लेंट नहीं लिया जा रहा है. आई मीन द DCPs लाइक नहीं लेना, द ACPs लाइक कि कंप्लेंट नहीं लेना. व्हाट इज बॉदरिंग यू गाइस सो मच?
Exactly. That is one big question that we'd like to ask. Also, talking about Bollywood silence. Now, of course, in the last 1 month, many actors and actresses, directors, singers, producers have come forward. And if they had a say in this Me Too movement, they have. They have made a point. And we thank them for doing that, being the influencers. But there are many yet who haven't spoken a word. They feel Me Too is a controversy. That's what it looks like. What do you have to say on that?
See, I read about 2 actors who've spoken about their experience also, their Me Too experience. And what I didn't like in that was that they've not named the perpetrator. Now that is wrong. Because, अगर आप बोल रहे हो, आप दूसरों को भी तो थोड़ा हौसला दो. आपके बोलने से काफी फर्क पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल.
आप उनका नाम लीजिए ना. अगर the whole Me Too, the purpose of it is firstly that there should be some sort of awakening. ये सारी चीजें हो रही है तो आप अब इसको अब चेक करो और जो करेक्टिव मेजर्स है आप वो लो. And also to spread awareness. Now, till the time these people are not taking names, how is any change going to come?
Right.
Aaj, I'll give you a small example. Day before yesterday, and it's a very small thing. Day before yesterday, I get a call, I get a message at 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 at night that, there's for some music video or something. I loved the fact that in that message it was written, "Hi ma'am, sorry to message you this late." That is all I want. I want manners. I want manners. I want you to know that, do not cross the line with me.
Right.
10 बजे के आप मुझे 8, 8:30 बजे के बाद में अगर आप if you have a professional relation with me, you are not allowed to call me.
Absolutely.
And if I have once or twice not replied to you, you are supposed to have the brains to understand that she is not enjoying it. Maybe she is not into me, or she is not attracted to me, or she is not encouraging it, so I should stop. You should not think that, hey, I'm in a position of power to give you work. हिम्मत नहीं होगा इसको ना बोलने. Because I'm in a position of power to give her work. ये दब के रहेगी. They have no regards whatsoever of what you're feeling when they do this. When they're making you uncomfortable, they have no regards whatsoever for you.
Yeah.
They will continue to do it because they know इसमें हिम्मत नहीं है ना बोलने की. इसमें हिम्मत नहीं है बोलने की, sir, please don't message. I'm not enjoying it.
Right.
They will not do that.
Right.
Shomik Sen, the other day I have put up my chat on Twitter. Everybody who's come up against him is talking about how he has a habit of, sexting and, speaking about erotica and things like that. And obviously he's gone beyond that. He's literally called women to his office and he's done things. The first ever day that Shomik Sen contacted me, he contacted me. I don't even have his number. I have the chat where you can see where he's written, "Hi Shomik here, can you send pictures?" I sent my pictures. I sent 1 or 2 of my recent, ad links and show links and stuff. The reply to that was, "What is your zodiac sign? Scorpios are hot. And do you like erotica?" And the replies, then it comes at 11:30 at night, 10:30 or 11 o'clock, 11:30 at night. And I've simply replied there saying that, "Hi, can we meet in office?" And then probably discuss. I don't know why you're asking me about erotica or something. It's better that we meet and talk so I get an idea as to what you have in mind. And I had to cut that chat there. But this is what people do. This is the kind of liberties. This is the kind of blurred professional lines.
Absolutely.
Can I say something about,
Yes.
sorry, can I say something about him? I don't know him. I've not interacted with him, but I know friends who've had issues. Is he still on the film that he's doing right now?
A close source from the producers have told us that they will remove him from the promotions, but will they drop him the credit or no? That is a big question.
Oh, so that basically it's just left to, and how many women have come out against him so far?
More than
Like
3?
And there are, I've seen the chats, so they obviously have screenshots of everything. Okay, so I
Can
know.
you imagine
I
a
know-
person approaching you in the first day asking you whether you like erotica?
Yeah,
or not?
well, there
Are
are
you
lot-
going to not be scared?
Yeah, there are lots of those that we face, and all of us have faced.
Aren't you
all
going to be
kinds
in a
of
position
situations.
that, you know, मैं कैसा इससे deal करूं
Yeah.
because
Good.
he's leaving the ball slowly in my court. Now,
Yeah.
if I answer means I might be giving out a signal. If I don't answer, then am I putting him off? We are walking on a tight rope here every day. We are just dodging. क्या
Yeah.
करूं
क्योंकि
जिससे
कोई
मेरा
action-
रिलेशन भी ना
कोई
खराब हो?
एक्शन ले भी नहीं रहा है अब तक. दैट्स व्हाई दिस पीपल आर साइलेंटली सिटिंग कि हाँ ये लड़कियां कुछ टाइम बोलेंगी और चुप हो जाएंगी, हमारा क्या होगा, विल गेट बैक टू वर्क.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to actually, I want to ask and I want to call out Mr. Atul Kaspekar, only because I know you and I've known you for the longest time, having modeled with you. I was part of an agency that you ran, and I feel like I have every right as a friend, as someone who's been a professional, who's worked with you on Kingfisher Calendar, who has been a part of your agency. You've photographed me. I come and I hang out with you in your office. I want to ask you, what are you doing on this matter? Why is there this, I mean, dropping someone from a promotions,
Yeah,
is it?
yeah.
He really, that is the action, and he's currently, you all are still working with him, and that's the stand that you guys are taking. Wow, really, why I don't get, and you all make films that's Neerja, Neerja, you make films, Tumhari Sulu, wow. You make women, you make women because that's the kind of, is it because that's what's happening these days? It's cool to say girl power. It's cool to say women empowerment. You have a daughter. Mr. Atul Kaspekar, you have a daughter. I've seen your daughter grow up. You have a wife. I've met your wife. I'm close to her. Are you seriously going to keep quiet on this matter? And you know what? Forget it. I don't even want to get emotional here. Actually, we should all be angry. And we are angry. We are angry. People wonder. I am wondering, why is it, how is it that I am so angry and they are angry? I talk to them every day. I've just met these women, but it's like I know them because I am angry. Hearing the stories over and over again, and it's worse and it's worse. There are so many stories out there. What? You guys have your friggin' blinders on. You're so high up Bollywood's ass. It's all about money. Your Neerja is about money. Your Tumhari Sulu is about money. It has nothing to do with women empowerment. It has, so don't promote it as empowered women. Don't. Because it's a sham. Y'all are breeding these guys. Y'all are working with these guys. What about, let's change the narrative and make it guilty until proven innocent. There is proof. Okay, you all are screaming for proof. In this case, in Soumik Sen's case, there is proof.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What the
In fact,
hell
the
more do
girl
you
who-
want? What do you want
The
more?
girl
That
who
someone should get
accused him has
raped?
put up an entire, she's written the entire experience that she had with him, where he tried to almost, in his office, he tried to, sort of get physical with her.
Yeah.
And then there's another girl who, I think she's a media professional, and she had also accused him of the same thing. Like, she's written things like,
And Anubhav Sinha
I
knows
would
about
have,
it.
and she was apparently driving when all this was happening, and she said that, I think I was going to have an accident. I was so furious with that guy. And then I think she complained to Mr. Anubhav Sinha, and she also wrote, I think, to Madhuri Dixit's team, because that time Soumik was on that film. I mean, I'm not saying that take the responsibility, but at least, right now is a very urgent situation, because
Absolutely.
all these people have been shielded. Where have we got an option where, we could go and, even with the slightest complaint, like, even a woman walking on on the street with a sari on, if her midriff is visible, that does not mean that you can brush your hand off on that. You
Right.
cannot do that.
Right.
But do we take these things as important? Like, can I go with something? It's a big thing for me if somebody touches my body. Can I go with that and, approach some production house or someone and say that, sir, your director was trying to, do this with me? And no, I don't know who's going to take the responsibility. I really don't know where is the option. And do I want to go to the police station? Here is an example
Yeah.
why I don't want to
Yeah.
go to the police
So,
station.
and that's why
It's
these.
a chalta hai attitude for everything.
Yeah.
This is a Indian thing that chalta hai. अरे क्या हुआ इतना तो नहीं what should it be?
Rape तो नहीं हुआ ना, murder तो नहीं
so
हुआ.
no, so tomorrow I will go and I will murder all these people and it's fine. Let me just go and murder all these people. And then say, अरे उतना क्या हुआ? मैंने तो rage में कर दिया, चलेगा ना?
So all these questions are justified. This anger in y'all are justified. Simran, I'd like to ask you on that. With so much that we've discussed now, what do you think is the way forward? The Me Too impact has been happening slowly, but it's not all out there. Many other women have not yet spoken. Men haven't come out yet. What do you think is the way forward for our Me Too movement in India?
No, me and Kritika, we were in a conference and there were two boys who shared their experience also with casting director. So men are also coming out, and because it's not about gender, it's happening with both male and females.
Right.
And yes, it is, really discouraging that, you're not taking complaint, you're not taking any action. And that's why these people are sitting quietly कि ठीक है बोलेंगी चुप कर जाएंगी क्या हो जाएगा, because they know they're sitting at a position where they can change things and where they can threaten us.
So while we're talking about how no stricter or disciplinary action has been taken against Soumik Sen, on the other hand, Vikas Bahl has been allowed to be on the edit room of Super 30, even after that statement जो ऋतिक रोशन ने tweet out की थी, जहाँ पर he urged the producers to take a strong, stricter action against him. He's still editing Super 30. What do you have to say on that?
You're surprised? I'm not surprised.
I am very surprised.
I'm
I
not
really
surprised.
thought that
I
this.
am not-
This is disappointing.
I am not surprised because look at the silence on most of Bollywood. They say that we are one big family, and it's actually kind of true.
They're proving it.
They are proving that they are one big family. But you see, there is so much stuff within it. Okay, and the problem is if one cookie crumbles, the whole everything crumbles. It's like a pack of cards. It's like a domino effect. You think that people are going to they this is what I mean.
Blinders.
The blinders.
Someone else take over.
And recently a lot of journalists have been asking celebrities at events that, first question is, what do you have to say on the Me Too movement that's been going on in the country? And the PR or the celebrity themselves say, no Me Too questions, please. What do you have to say on that? People don't want to even talk about it. And we're talking about taking the movement forward.
Yeah, because, they have their own stories. Like she said, एक का पत्ता खुलेगा तो सबका खुलेगा, and that's their problem.
जी.
वो लोग कैसे चुपचाप बैठे हैं? Why Sajid and Vicky Sidana and everybody, why they're not responding?
So
Why
they'll
Vikas
say-
Bahl is still on the edits?
And how have they reached the level to reach such obnoxious behavior where it's reached till rape? You think it started off like that? You think that each of these predators started off like that? They've not. It's because we as a large, okay, everybody has enabled this behavior.
Yeah.
Society has enabled this behavior. Everybody has enabled everything. We're deaf, we are blind, we are like, it doesn't, but when it finally happens to one of your own, when it happens to you within your own family, I want to then see what a big noise everyone is going to make about it.
Right.
And I
Okay.
heard something really
Okay.
nice
Then
yesterday.
their image comes in the picture, na?
We
घर के बाहर नहीं
always
जाना
say
चाहिए.
this.
The image, their image is so
Shocking,
important to
it
them.
is shocking.
We always say this, जब आप successful बनोगे ना, तब अपने शौक पूरा कर लेना. जब आप सक्सेसफुल बनोगे ना, तब ये करना, तब वो करना.
Because then
so
people will
basically
listen to you.
success has been equated to power. And now do the math yourself where the power play has led.
Yeah.
People need to first be able to digest success gracefully, and they need to realize that there is a certain responsibility you have, not only towards your ma and your behen, towards the society at large. Also, there are other people, you know, the kind of pain you're inflicting on them, you know, the way it's affecting their mental health. And, you know, there are girls who sort of pack up from Bombay and go back. There are straight boys who come and, you know, have to sleep with men. Can you believe it? Like, I don't know what I would
They
feel
don't even
if-
have to
I mean,
sleep with men. The men jump on them.
Yeah.
Hello, zabardasti.
For the
And
longest
like how the
time,
rapes
girls
happen
have
with the
not
girl-
been able to even admit the fact that, you know, they were married in the industry. Because we've had a taboo on marriage. If you're a married woman, keep it hiding. Your biological clock could be ticking.
Yeah.
But don't get married because तुम्हारा career खराब हो जाएगा. If you have a child, तो you're last season then.
Yeah.
Like, there's nothing desirable about you anymore.
Yeah.
We need to, you know, broaden our thing now, our own mindset now.
Absolutely. And talking about the positives, Diandra, when you called out the fashion industry, we saw one ray of hope. Kawaljeet came forward and shared his story and did not shy away from naming and shaming Vijay Arora, the designer.
Okay, so you know, sorry, but before this, I want to address one thing. Someone like a Mr. Amitabh Bachchan has done a movie called Pink. Right? We've all seen it. We loved it. Powerhouse of a performance.
No means no.
No means no. And they went all over town promoting that, and yes, you know, whatever, it's like it's the in thing to do, right? I want to know, and I want to ask him, and I'm asking very point blank. I've met him. I know his son really well. I know his daughter-in-law very well. The kids are very well brought up. He has a granddaughter. He has a lot of women in his family. I want to know why the silence, and your statement, really that was the statement you gave out. So you know, one second, we're talking about the casting directors, we're talking about Sajid Khan, who's just an obnoxious fuck. He's a small fry. He only got Houseful 4, which was just, and all the Houseful series, because that is his sense of humor and his level of humor, and no other fucking work. Sorry for the language again. And you're talking about all these little Soumik Sen and somebody else and whatever else. Let's go
And
to the
Soumik
topmost.
also made a woman-centric
Let's
film.
go to the topmost. Let's talk about Karan Johar. Okay, Coffee with Karan is a show that everyone loves and they're like obsessed with it, right? Big Boss, obsessed. I'm just saying, these shows that are so retarded, people are obsessed with it, right? Okay, lovely. You opened your show. Karan Johar, I ask you this. You opened your show saying, girl power, and I have got 2 actresses to open this show. Should we give you an award for that? Do you want an award, or do you want a little crown and a sash? Because it's not such a big deal that, oh my God, girl power. You said the words girl power. Do you even believe and understand the meaning of the word girl power? And you have used this, and yes, you called one from the nepotism family, Alia Bhatt, and the other one who's from outside the industry. Lovely, justify yourself. You have beautiful babies, right?
No, but Deepika Padukone talks about
You-
mental health,
one
right?
second. You have
She
beautiful
should be
babies.
supporting this all the more. Because she is the one who has recently done a campaign, and I think it was hashtag not ashamed or don't be ashamed.
Yes, not
Why are
ashamed.
you being ashamed now? How many women's mental health is suffering because of, you know, themselves
Because of
being treated
Anirban,
badly?
blah, blah,
Absolutely.
blah.
I was coming there.
Goddamn blah. Like, you are all goddamn blah because, you know, nobody walks the talk. Nobody walks the talk. And nobody is doing it in fashion and nobody is doing it in Bollywood. And I will attach fashion here because they are both my industries. I would like to clarify, they're both my industries. I'm still connected to both the industries. And you know what? I'm going to say it like it is. Guys, come on. Nobody. Tell me who is walking the talk here?
Because
Who is walking the talk?
Because when Anirban Blah's name came up, he had that whole suicide thing. He resigned from, he had to step down from Quorn. He was also associated with Live, Love, Laugh Foundation of Deepika Padukone.
Exactly.
And he had to resign. He had to step down from there.
He stepped down, and then one of the
His
staff,
own employees.
they posted on
Yes.
social media
Yeah.
that he's still in the office.
Yes.
Yeah, and secretly
they were told
working.
to keep quiet.
Secretly working. And after that, Quorn issued a statement saying that his exit from Quorn is final and conclusive. But talking about when Deepika Padukone is so closely
No, and
associated.
they made a joke out of suicide.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Hello, he made a joke out of suicide. That is
No.
the biggest. Oh,
But my point here is talking about bigger stars and bigger Bollywood celebrities talk about this when Deepika is so closely associated with Anirban Blah, where Karan Johar always is so vocal when the LGBTQ plus community, that whole thing was going on, he was very vocal about it. Why not now? Why not when
Why
Me Too
not?
movement?
And it is a big
going
concern
on.
because I read recently somewhere that India is the most depressed country in the world as on
is.
today.
we should
So,
be. Look at the
it
state
is
of affairs.
as per statistics, so yes, it is. Do people realize that this might be happening because of some sort of suppression, because women are being oppressed?
Yeah.
Because when you're in a helpless and a humiliating situation only because it's your livelihood and you don't want to put that at risk. I have my bills to pay, I have my family to take care of. So, oh my God, I should basically keep quiet. I cannot at all question anybody, not only in Bollywood or in fashion, but even in a normal office, in corporates and, maybe in politics, everywhere. If you are, you are really subjecting a person
Yeah.
to living a life where they cannot even question somebody only because the person is your boss. वो boss है, भगवान तो नहीं है ना.
Dude, you can get molested or hit
You
or
can
something assaulted in a
anything,
by
like-
the cops. Have you not
And
seen
you
those
can
videos?
still not talk about it. Why is this Me Too thing today? So many people, it's like a pressure cooker that's, just open because
Yeah.
women have forever been suppressed. They've never been able to, just say that, I'm not okay with this. Please stop it. I'm here to work. Like my job as an actor, I'm telling you, I think everything's great. I don't know the art of keeping a fuck on hold. And then working my way around, also getting work and, not basically ruining a scope of working with a particular person while learning the art of keeping that fuck on hold.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. I just want to work. I just want to go to work. I want to get my check and I want to go back home and I want to live my life that way.
And talking about how Bollywood celebrities and the top stars are not talking about this issue, we had Jackie Shroff, who recently was asked about this Me Too movement, and he called it and termed it an unfortunate incident. And he said that, both parties are my colleagues, and it's an unfortunate thing that's been happening, and I don't want to talk about it and fan it even further.
No, he also said that काम film नहीं मिला तो उसके लिए निकाल रहे. I'm saying it on
Frustration
record
निकाल रहे.
here that I don't think Mr. Sajid Khan, wanted to work with me or intended to work with any of the women that he's called to his house or he's molested.
He
or
molested a journalist.
Yeah, exactly.
Hello.
Was she intending to work with him? Was I don't think, the reason I myself told him that I'm not mentally prepared for all of this and I went back and in fact I did tell Quorn that, this is how, I'm freaked out. This is what happened. But, so I don't think I intended to work with him either. The feeling's mutual on both sides. It's not about not getting a film. I do not want to work in that film.
Exactly.
I have myself walked out. If I wanted to be in that film, I would have been laid over there. Not walked out from there.
What would you
What are
like
these
to...
people talking?
No, I think it's unfortunate that Jackie Shroff calls himself a man. He is not a man. This is really disgusting what he said. काम नहीं मिला तो. I mean, are you really
मतलब
a
he is also
gentleman?
trying to say कि काम
This is
मिलने के लिए ये
enablers,
करना पड़ता है.
This is
Basically, indirectly, वही तो बोल रहे हैं.
this is what I mean by enablers, shielders, you know,
Yeah.
predators. They're pimps in this industry. I'll tell you why. Okay,
They're living in denial or
today
something.
I have lost all respect for this man. Okay, and I know him. I have lost all respect for this man.
Same here.
Because okay, we're talking about this where he's defending and saying. The defenses are many. Tavleen Singh has defended Suhail Seth, including other women around him. Worse justifications. Okay, so we know that people come up with their stupid goddamn justifications. Stupid. You all are so goddamn stupid. Dude, firstly, he had his blinders on in this full interview.
Yeah.
Okay? What did he proved me right? You had your blinders on, Mr. Jackie Shroff. And not only that, not only did he have his blinders on, he goes on to say that they are washing their dirty linen
Out in the public.
laundry in public में धो रहे हैं. Dude, I want to talk about your wife. उसकी dirty laundry कहाँ पे धुल रही थी, boss? कहाँ पे धुल रही थी? Public में नहीं धुल रही थी? हाँ? क्योंकि तुम you're saying घर में जाके देखो, toothbrush करो, तुम ये what the fuck was he talking about? Boss, were you goddamn high? Were you high off your bloody head? What are you talking about? You're making some movie script. I want to know your wife's stories that have happened and they've come out everywhere. Okay, everybody knows about it. Was that not being washed in public? Where was that being washed? Huh? And did you even know that there was all this laundry? Were you aware of this laundry? Because if you can talk smack, dude, everyone can talk smack. Okay? Today I have lost any and all respect for you. Completely.
But
Because you
aren't
know
we
what?
insensitive towards each other as a society? That's what we
Yes,
are, right?
yes.
Absolutely.
You know, there's no empathy, there's no compassion.
It's all
It
individual.
doesn't matter.
It's individual.
It doesn't matter. And then oh my God, with the most handsome man. What a man. You're not a goddamn man, boss. You're not a goddamn man. And neither would I insult you to ever say that you're a woman, because women are way, way, way more powerful. I would love to call you. I don't want to insult anything. You're an enabler, you're a pimp.
But looking at the positives here, after you spoke out and called out the fashion industry, we had one brave man, the first one to come out and speak. Kawaljeet spoke about designer Vijay Arora and he shared his story with the world.
I'm so glad because look, I cannot be sitting here saying, look, I'm between both the industries. Okay, I have dabbled in movies way back in the day as well. And have done songs and things like that. Of course, I said no to movies. But so I'm in both sides, okay? Even if I'm not doing shows currently, I do showstoppers. I do shoots.
Yeah.
I'm training models.
Yeah.
I'm training aspiring models to come in the business. Should I give a class to my students saying that, it's okay, someone will grab your crotch or your ass or whatever and you have to give in, otherwise you will be outed.
Yeah.
Look, just like Bollywood has its deep dark side, and on the other side I have everything to lose because I'm not a known actress. Okay, I haven't studied acting, so I've come onto this side of the business and I'm just starting off. So ideally I should be shutting my mouth.
right.
Because I am definitely not going to get work, and like I said, I'm neither going to be there or neither am I going to be here. Okay, but I would like to say that I'm sorry, but I cannot be a hypocrite myself and call out one industry and not call out another industry that I am part of. Right? If I called out high society, firstly, my case has nothing to do with anything. It has to do with a high society crowd and, of course, the fashion industry not having come out and help me. The thing is, everyone thinks it's a vendetta. What am I going to achieve? In fact, I have everything to lose. Okay, I just feel that the boys are very scared because they're feeling that लड़कियों का कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, वो रो रहे हैं, कोई उसका बिलीव नहीं कर रहा है, तो हम, and they were waiting for one person to come out. Now
Also because you know this has been normalized in such
हाँ,
a manner
it's become
that
normal.
a lot of people are still friends with these people.
Yeah.
Yes,
Even
correct.
though they know
Correct.
where they've drawn
So,
the line, but they're still friends.
Correct. Okay, so I'll give you my biggest example. Like if somebody has to say anything, I'm so scared. I'm like, firstly, don't tell me any names, because I, in all likelihood, know them.
Would know the
The
person.
problem is it's not my story to tell.
Yeah.
Right? So I cannot, and neither am I egging anyone on. Everybody already has their stories. You know, I've almost been bullied and harassed on this matter from the fashion industry, because I've heard the stories doing the rounds right now that tell Diandra to shut up on her post. She's not in this industry anymore. So why is she fucking us over? She should not talk. And everyone's like, but she's extremely professional, and that's a reputation I've had for 23 years in the business. Rachel knows now that I'm on set with her in a show, and the thing is that they said that, you know, what she voices and what she chooses to do in her time, on her post, on her Instagram, on her Twitter, that is her voice.
Yeah.
How she is professionally should not be the reason why she's isn't this a form of bullying? But this is the technique that they've used on everyone, and they're
Because
still
we've
trying
got
to use
bloodlines
it.
everywhere.
They're
na?
still trying to
So-
use it.
Yeah.
You know how many messages I've suddenly got where people are like, suddenly they've remembered that I exist, and they're like, wow, you're looking so pretty, and oh my god, we miss you, and I'm just like, what? And I've been posting stuff on Facebook like all the time. Rachel knows, and not one person from that. I mean, of course, a lot of people from the industry. I have friends. I just went and worked with someone yesterday. So anyway, to make the thing short, I would just like to say that, you know, I boys, come on, you know, I know that there are more than enough. See, a lot of it happens with consent.
Yeah.
And we're very well aware of it, where they've had relationships with designers, and it's very open. But a lot of it is like literally, I mean, it's a side business, yaar. Tum log designing chhod ke or whatever else that you are doing, come कामातीपुरा पे जाओ, ग्रैंड रोड पे जाओ, उधर बिजनेस खोलो.
Because Kawaljeet, he said that, you know, when I said no, or when I pushed him away,
Yeah, he was outed, no?
yeah, he was outed.
Yes. And
tried
they're
to malign his
vicious.
career.
And they're
Slowly
vicious.
it's a prerequisite
They are
now.
vicious, and it's a prerequisite. And I have my students, my babies, who mean the world to me.
Yeah.
I am their mentor for life. If I don't at least try, what do you want me to do? Then give a class to them and say that this is what you have to do.
Yeah.
And that you do it. They come with stars in their eyes. Didn't you come to this city with stars in your eyes? Didn't you come to this city with stars in your eyes? Didn't you come with this city and stars in your eyes, and talent to back it up, and money that you spent maybe on acting classes or whatever? Didn't you put that hard work? What are we bringing it down to?
Right, and that's why, Rachel, the call of action, what is the need of the hour, and what is exactly happening? We really want to know.
See, you know, obviously, most of these people, firstly, I'd like to say that the ones who've been named, it didn't come as a surprise to me, because they are the top 5-6 scum. I knew कि इनके नाम आने वाले, okay, whether it's Anirban Blah, whether it's a Mukesh Chhabra, whether it's a Vicky Sedana, whether it's a Sajid Khan, and whether it's a Suhail,
same.
because I've also seen Suhail at parties and stuff, so I know what his behavior is like. I just feel that, you know, over a point of time, what has happened is that there's never been any accountability, you know, and also within, you know, within women and men, obviously, within, I'll say, the person who's lower in the hierarchy.
Yeah.
So that would make me, you know, because these people are in power.
Yeah.
There's also never been any awareness. We've never been given any of our rights. What now, since, you know, change is beginning to come, I really feel that, you know, because these federations and all are taking action, I really, really wish maybe it's just something that struck me yesterday that, you know, maybe there could be workshops on awareness as to, you know, what appropriate behavior is and what is inappropriate. And maybe, you know, since all of us have to be sort of with an association, so maybe they should make it mandatory for everybody to attend one of those workshops every year. and maybe if you don't attend it, your card could get cancelled.
Yeah.
So that people are, forced to go for one of those workshops. They are aware that, it can be as silly as a late night phone call for no reason, or constantly, which is basically,
Phone
yeah,
etiquette,
exactly.
people have forgotten
So
phone
maybe
etiquette.
they need that kind of awareness should come.
Right.
So people are aware that, something can be done. And the second thing is that I feel there should be some sort of assurance that we should be getting from, these film bodies and stuff, that I can report somebody if I feel, without me being worried that it's going to affect
Yeah.
my work. And casting directors, especially because I think casting directors are not really affiliated with any sort of thing. I feel it is a
now
must.
they're making an association.
They should.
Yes.
All casting directors have to
protect
be
each other.
affiliated with an association.
Association.
So where I should be able to also complain about him. It should
Yeah.
be open, not just for their members to complain, but keep it flexible
Yeah.
for anybody to complain. That if Mukesh Chabra has, I feel that he's making me uncomfortable, I should be able to just simply email them and say that, sir, one of your members is doing this. Because till the time, people are not, now everything that's happening is irresponsible behavior and just power tripping.
Yeah.
You need to now, lagam खींचना होगा थोड़ा. People need to be, Indians, for example, जब हम अगर यहाँ पे पान खाएंगे, रास्ते पे थूक देंगे हम, लेकिन हम अगर दुबई जाएंगे ना, वो थूक को हम मुंह में कंट्रोल करके रखेंगे, फिर आके बेसन में थूकेंगे. हम यहाँ पे गोवा में जाएंगे, किसी लड़की को हम देखेंगे बिकिनी में, हमें लगेगा that we'll literally scan her up and up. But the same man, when he will go abroad somewhere to a beach, उसकी हिम्मत नहीं होगी वो करने, because he is aware that the law of the land is strict,
Yeah.
and he is also aware that this girl knows her rights.
Yeah.
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 Forget about touching a girl. किसी के बच्चे को नहीं हाथ देंगे, किसी के
Yeah.
पेट को हाथ नहीं देते हैं लोग वहाँ पे.
And that's why the change in law is important.
Yeah.
Disciplinary actions are important. Then there will be a
need
change in the
some sort of
mindset.
assurance, and we need, all these the federations and the film bodies to
Yeah.
now really, really start doing these things, helping, because there are a lot of aspiring, actors and stylists,
Yeah.
writers, directors, and
Even
it
if
should
they're
just-
giving notices, the
No,
film
but our
bodies,
call
they're not
of action-
responding.
they're not
They're
responding.
taking
That's
our
what.
notices
So even
seriously.
our call of action that
See,
our name
it's
is
going to
on,
be a slow and
there's
gradual
no-
process. ये overnight change होने का,
Yeah,
it's not
exactly.
possible.
But
Which
this
is
is
why
the
I'm
start.
saying that the workshops are important, so that you and I are made aware
Yeah.
that this is inappropriate,
Yeah.
this counts as appropriate, and okay, I also have an option of complaining without me having to
Yeah.
be threatened in
Yeah.
any way. People
But
need
what are
to.
big companies doing? Your name is on a call of action. My name is on a call of action.
Yeah, we did
that.
that.
For the companies and everybody to disassociate themselves. Tata
Yes.
has still not put out a statement.
Yeah, and you've been asking
And
that
nobody
question.
can find. So, nobody
Suhail-
can find
Suhail
Suhail
said-
Seth. They can't find
Why isn't he
Sajid.
on Arnab's show
and
arguing with him?
And the thing is, it's shocking. So the thing is, even if we're taking action, everyone's saying, "Why aren't you taking action? Why aren't you all doing anything?" We're doing. But
Nothing is coming
where is everyone else? Where are they? Who is coming from the front to help?
You think
in
they're
this
trying
matter?
to? You think they are keeping quiet
Of-
right now for it to
waiting
subside,
to die
for the
down.
movement
Yeah.
to die down?
Of course, and you know what? No chance is am I going to, or any of these women sitting here and the other women and the men or the LGBT community is going to keep quiet on this matter anymore. So by the way, it's just
the
not
need of the
it
hour
is
now.
not-
It's the need of
we
the
are
hour,
having an
not just for the
awareness.
film
We
industry,
are having
for
an awareness
everybody.
discussion. There are awareness discussions that are going to happen at panel discussions.
Yes.
And there's no way this is going to die down.
And that's
It's
why a big-
not. It shouldn't.
And that's why I want to ask this important question: that how do we keep this movement going, and how do we take this forward?
We will support each other, like how she said. ये खत्म नहीं होगा. इनको जितना लगता है कि ये चुप हो जाएंगी बोल बोल के, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Like we are all putting our careers at stake. मत दो काम, मत दो. But we will fight and we will support all the girls.
It
वो
doesn't matter
सामने-
who, yeah.
हाँ, वो सामने आए और हम हैं साथ में. आप बोलो, we'll support you. जिसने गलत किया है उसे भरना तो पड़ेगा.
I'd like to ask Kritika, you also the same question. How do we keep this movement going and not let this die? It's just been a month. In Hollywood, it's been a year now, and they're still fighting their fights. So, how do we keep this movement going in India?
See, in my case, what I am confident of that once my FIR is lodged, I'm sure that will give an assurance to the other females to come forward and speak.
Right.
You know, because like I spoke with Rudrani and I told her, you know, that I'm disappointed and I'm feeling helpless. That what now? But then I still have this thing that ki haan, theek hai, I know that they're going to take time, but then mera FIR likha jayega. And that is the time, waiting for that time.
Yeah,
That
so that you can
once my
inspire many
exactly.
more.
And I'm sure that people, because, you know, for someone to come and speak out and
Yeah.
to take that risk on your career,
Yeah.
you need some assurance. I was like, कि मैं जब से इंडस्ट्री में आई हूँ, like fed up कि क्यों हो रहा है. I'm telling myself कि मैं क्यों काम कर रही हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री में. मुझे पता है कि मुझे काम नहीं मिलने वाला, मूवी नहीं मिलेगा अगर मैं नहीं सोऊंगी तो. बट ठीक है, जितना हो रहा है उतने में खुश.
Yeah.
कि ठीक है, as long as I'm acting, I'm happy.
Yeah.
And
Even I lost interest in work
It's
over
like-
a point of time. I
they are
lost
not God.
interest.
And I guess
not
it's
the same.
surely your hard, it's only your hard work that can make you go anywhere in this.
Would you like to add anything to Kritika's, what she has to say?
No, I think, you know, now since people have been named, she is, you know, herself willing to take the legal implication. So I think, yes, she should be heard. Her FIR should be, you know, accepted and done. And it should be a lesson for other people as well, because way too long people have, you know, gotten away and they've been taken advantage of, and, you know, it's just, like I say, this using, misusing and abusing of power that keeps happening.
Yeah.
We need to sort of slowly and gradually try to, you know, reach a state where people are also aware, they're sensitive enough to understand and, you know, are compassionate enough towards, you know, people who they're working with, and just, you know, stop being these monsters, stop being these beasts, you know.
They're turning us into monsters now.
Monsters.
I feel.
Which is why I talk about,
so
you know, like how it affects
exhausted.
people's mental health.
And
It does affect your mental health.
And one
yeah.
last thing to take this forward on her note, with her matter, what is it going to take, Mumbai police? What is it going to take? Should we literally gather the troops of women and men, gather them from all over this country to come and stand outside that cop station? What is it going to take? Because if that's what it's going to take, Kritika, I'm telling you this right now. I'm standing and I will
Is he
come
bigger
to
than
that
Asaram
conversation.
Bapu also?
And we will come and we will stand there behind you, side by side, wherever you want us to be. If it means that we have to climb on top of that cop friggin' head over this
not
matter.
even a politician
No, but
or
is
a
it going to
VIP
take? Is it
or
going to take
someone.
a? Is it going to take
A
a
casting
jund?
director, and you're not being able to complain.
Is it going to take a jund of people? Then we'll do it.
Yeah, if that's what
We'll
is
do
needed,
it.
we'll do it.
If that's the case, let's do it.
But that is why this discussion, this conversation was very important. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much for taking time out, speaking up and not stopping, being the unstoppable. Thank you for joining us on Planet Bollywood and for your